Good morning. My name is Minh. Recently you sold my dad a second-hand car, and the contract said if there were any problems with it within 90 days, you would fix those problems for free.
Yes, that's right.
Well, I was driving to uni this morning and I suddenly heard this weird clunking sound from underneath the car. At first I thought maybe I had run over something, although honestly I didn't see anything on the road. Anyway, it got worse, and so I pulled straight over. It turns out the transmission on the car is badly damaged and needs to be replaced.
Sure, the registration is LWHD. Yes, that's right. Sure, I understand that the name on the contract is Kang Trang. He is my father. He bought the car for me. Remember? I picked the car up from the car yard, and we had a conversation. I asked you if I should get any servicing or work done on the car, and you promised me that there was no need, because if anything went wrong with the car you would take care of it. I relied on that promise. Otherwise none of this would be happening. I really think it sucks that you are trying to take advantage of me this way. It sucks so badly that I can't even think of one of Marinak's stupid dad jokes to use. Yeah, well, how about this one? A liar, a cheater, and a fraudster walk into a bar. And they are all you. You'll be hearing from my legal representative.